Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a security camera from Zoook, and it's the Zoook Eagle Cam100. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this device. Zoook Eagle Cam100 is available on Amazon for approximately 2000 rupees. And this security camera comes with lot of features. So let's unbox it quickly. On the box we have the model and the picture here. And at the bottom we have some features of this camera, such as you get the app support, two-way audio, PTZ control, cloud storage. The camera supports motion detection, alarm, digital zoom, and also has the auto day and night mode. And on this side, you can see this camera can be used for various purposes, such as home security, baby or pet care, etc. At the back of the box we have the specifications of this camera with some features. You get the Alexa support, and with this, you can view the live feed of the camera on Echo Show. So let's open the box and see the content now. On the top we get the user guide, and it has the info about the different features of this security camera. And then we have the camera itself. The design of this camera is like a standard security camera, but my first impression is that the camera build quality is really good. We will look at the camera in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the micro USB cable to power the camera. And then we get some screws which you can use with this mount to fix it on a wall. And lastly, you get the power adapter for the camera. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the device closely. Zoook Eagle Cam100 offers a lot of features, and starting with the design and build quality, this camera offers horizontal and vertical movement, and it can capture every part of your room. The build quality of this camera is also pretty good, and even though it's a budget security camera, there are no compromises in the quality of this camera. In terms of overview, you have the 2 megapixel camera in the front, which offers ultra wide angle. And with the movement of this camera, you can capture 350 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical, giving you a panoramic view of your place. There is also a sensor here, which allows you to auto switch between day and night mode. In the front, you also have few LEDs at the bottom to let you know when it's connected with the network. And on the side of the camera we have the speakers, and on this side we have the mic. At the back of the camera we have the charging port, reset button, micro SD card slot, which it supports up to 128 GB. And then we have the LAN port. At the bottom we have the ID and password of this camera, along with the place to attach the wall mount. Now let's turn it on and set up the camera. Setting up the Zoook Eagle Cam100 is really easy. So you just need to plug it into a power source and then install the app MIPC. And this app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Once you're there, you would need to create your account and then go to the Add Device section. Here you would need to choose the PTZ camera and then scan the QR code at the bottom of your camera. And once you scan the QR code, it will give you two options, which is to set up the camera on a Wi-Fi connection or a wired Ethernet connection. So here we are going to set up the camera on our Wi-Fi connection. And here you would need to enter your Wi-Fi password, and then the camera will start establishing the connection. So our camera is successfully added to our Wi-Fi connection. Now let's explore the features of this camera. So here is our camera, and when you tap on it, you will see a live preview of the feed. You can control the camera from here, and by sliding your finger on the screen, you can also change the camera angle. This security camera also supports two-way audio call feature by which you can communicate easily. This cam offers all the basic features, which are the motion detection, cloud storage, etc. But one thing I must say here, that the image quality of this camera is actually better than my existing MI security camera. Apart from that, there are also some add-on features which I will show you now. Zoook Eagle Cam100 is an Alexa enabled device. You can use your existing Alexa device to see the preview. So here we have the Alexa Echo Show 5, and to use it with the camera, all you need to do is go to the Alexa app in your phone and then add the skill MIPC. And there, sign in with the account which you have created at the time of the setup of this camera. And that's it, the skill is enabled. Now every time you say Alexa show office, it will show you the live feed of the camera on your Echo Show. Apart from that, you can also view the live feed on the Amazon Fire Stick TV. So if you have added the skill already, then you won't need to add the skill again, but you should be logged in with the same Amazon account on the Fire Stick, and then you can use the same phrase, which is show office, to see the live feed. and by saying hide office, it will turn off the feed. Overall, I find the features of this security camera pretty good, and in this price range, you're getting almost every feature you could think from a security camera. And if you're in the market for a new security camera for your home or office, then I definitely recommend this. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Zoook Eagle Cam100 security camera. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this camera in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.